I heard from a handful of people who were upset because I said that lawyers shouldn't be lobbying on their own behalf at the legislature about proposed tort reform efforts. And the question was, well, if not us, then who? It's not rocket science. You call witnesses in cases all the time because they're more compelling than hearing from a lawyer just standing up there stating in their place what should or shouldn't happen in a given case. And there's no question in my mind that a person who's been hurt in a case, who, if their case had been decided by a judge as opposed to a jury, would absolutely be a better person to advocate on behalf of the right to a jury trial in those cases that are trying to be limited here. The people who have been hurt are definitely in a better position to talk about it instead of lawyers who repeatedly have billboards up about how many millions of dollars that they recover going up and down our interstates. I mean, it's a problem that lawyers have inflicted on themselves. You brag about how big your takes are out of these cases, and then you want to complain whenever someone comes back and says it's not fair how much money you're making. Well, the story hasn't been told. There was all these billboards out there that show the public how much money it is that lawyers are recovering. The lawyers have created this problem on their own. So yeah, there's a problem with lawyers telling their own story. Yes, there's a problem with lawyers advocating on their own behalfs. And yes, there are third parties that could undoubtedly tell the story in a much more compelling way.